This is a public service announcement brought to you by Our We TV.
Yo, it's your boy Stars Ross from Our We TV. I want to say to all the road users out there, if you're gonna drink, don't try. Bring somebody with you. Remember, have some water while you drink if you're gonna be partying. And don't overeat. Drink responsibly.
That was a paid announcement brought to you by the Our We TV group.
Listen up, you know it's Chris Martin and Dawson. I say big up Our We TV, straight out of Ochi. You understand? Martin and Dawson. General, Lord, peace.
The following program is rated E and is suitable for everyone. Lifestyle.
Why is the one black lion the wizard and the cat down here?
Good girl style. We coming out the dance and we mash it up. We coming out your city and we mash it up. We coming out the papers and we tear it up. Yeah, we do what we are do and we don't give up. We coming out the dance and we mash it up. We coming out your city and we mash it up. We coming out the papers and we tear it up. Yeah, we do what we are do and we don't give up. Watch me, yo, when me step up in this blood, come to wake up in this blood. Every count at top and knock wave rocks up, blank up in this blood. If you get a man funny ground, get mad, so we done when we light and the steam was up off. Yo, so we done funny real and a blow. Do so we nice, do so we rough. We say anywhere we go.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Stars.
And it's your girl, Storm.
And it's all about lifestyle. And tonight it's all about 876 Street
Cruise Control.
Storm, we're there. Who you come visit tonight? Which car crew you are, rep?
All of them. All of them. I want to see 876 Street.
Yeah.
I want to see TWS.
Yeah, the bad axio. So you don't know. TWS, me know I'm going to bring it home.
Yeah, it's a must. CJ.
So it's Stormy's first car show. Stormy,
It is. I'm excited.
what are you expecting tonight from this?
Okay, so based on the views of the previous one, I want to see the paintings on the cars. And I want to see the rims. And I don't know nothing about cars, but I just want to see cars.
All right, so the next time you see us, we're going to be inside the event.
Yeah.
So stick and stay.
Don't, please, whatever you do, don't lose me.
Okay.
So forward.
So like I said, the next time you have seen us would have been inside Cruise Control. Storm, what are you doing?
I'm about to go on the stage because I want to get up close and personal, so I'm going to leave this one.
Alright, so Storm says she go up on the stage. Me don't know why she go up on the stage. Storm is a car show.
Yeah, so I can see all the cars.
Well, anyways, me I go about my business. Where you go?
I'm going to look on the car then. So forward.
I need to put you on show. For your sake, I go go church. I drive around for my boss. Baby, pana, they say we got no hala. I got to hala. Baby, pana, anywhere you go, I can follow you to go. Baby, pana, they say we got cassava. I got to big cassava. Baby, pana, I'm there for you. Never die, never die. If I ever open, if I ever, baby you too sweet, forever. I take it as a I'm not a take it to Papa. If I ever open, baby you too sweet, forever. I take it as a it's a wonderful tender feeling.
Alright, so we are live within Cruise Control. So I'm with one of the founding members of TWS, Webster. Hey.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. Welcome to the show. Now, Webster, tell us TWS, what it's for, how long have you been a member? Tell me all about it.
Well, TWS stands for Third World Society. We've been in the car scene for 4 years, from August 2015. Basically, this is our third Cruise Control, where we are defending champions for 2 years in a row. The show has been going on for 3 years, basically. So we're here to defend our title.
Alright, so tell me, this movement, what is that? What has it done for you personally?
Well, personally, we started off on a simple note. 6 members. It was just a simple idea, and it has grown basically to about 30 members strong all over the island. For me personally, it has helped me to grow, to be a better individual in terms of creativity, in terms of leadership, in terms of being responsible, more responsible in everyday goings.
Alright, so let me tell you, TWS, Third World Society, them dapper. I want you to take a look. We're going to pan out on everyone else. They're all suit out. Like, me feel like I need to be a part of this. Now with the cars, it's all about the airbrush, the painting. We're going to go into that shortly. Webster, what was the idea behind all of this spraying your bonnet and everything on the car? Because listen, them hot, them sexy, their car sexy. So tell me, what was the idea? Who come up with all of this?
Well, you know what I mean, it's all about the cars, first and foremost. Then it's all about the members. But really and truly, every year we try to come up with new innovations with the cars, creative ways to display the cars, make them more attractive. The mastermind behind this, in terms of the airbrush and all of that, is our leader, who's Buster.
Buster?
Yeah, Clayton.
Alright, so
he's known for the Axio transformation. Recently we did a feature on CJ's car, but basically Buster is the genius behind all of this.
Alright, so we're gonna kick it with the man Buster in a few, but for right now we're just gonna pan out on all these gents and them black and white, them sexy. Alright, so I'm with the man Clay, also known as Buster, and he is the CEO, founder of the TWS. Welcome to the show. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks. Thank you for having me.
No problem. So come on in, Jav. So we are behind his car. Now, Clay, why airbrush? Why Axio? Why this movement?
I mean, the movement of TWS started, from a group of guys coming together and want to be, on the car scene and creating an impact. As it relates to the Axio, it was a car I actually bought just to drive on a daily basis, but knowing me being able to, I've actually modified a few cars over the years, and I actually got bored. So I decided to transform this car, and that's what it turned out to be today.
Alright, so you see what boredom leads to. I want to get bored. So we are at Cruise Control. Thank you so much, Clay. So we're going to turn things over to the man Stars. He's in the crowd, so we're going to find him, see what he's up to. So forward.
Alright, Storm, you look like you have a bag of fun over there so with TWS. So you don't know, it's all about 876 Cruise Control, and right now I'm in at the party. Well, I'm not really in a party, I'm in a car show, but I used to party, so bear with me. Right now I'm standing with the person who's responsible for most of the paintbrush job inside TWS. GQ, what's good?
Right now I'm here now, inside I building, just go and pray the work and take it easy.
Alright, let's talk cars. Let's talk about the cars in TWS that you have done. I mean, like the man CJ, the man Buster car. Where do you get all these concepts, and how do you design, like how do you think about doing a paint brush job before you do it? Is it something you think about, or you just work based off what the client wants?
Alright, right now, big up to Buster. Right now it's a teamwork. Buster create the concept, me do the work. So just bring the concept to Buster, and then Buster bring it to me, and full job.
For persons who want jobs to be done, how can they contact you?
Well, right now, 459-6105 or 447-4306.
And where your workshop located?
Brownstone St. Anne.
So there you go, Brownstone St. Anne, him just give him number, it's GQ, him have the bodies paint job, them in a Ochi St. Anne. If you don't believe me, check out TWS car them, him mad. Anyways, I'm gonna check out some more stuff happening inside Cruise Control.
Instrumental, no man to the instrumental, instrumental, incidental, no man to the instrumental. Street swag, street swag, it's just street swag. Instrumental, no man to the instrumental.
Alright, so I just spoke to the man GQ, and remember, if you want some wicked paint jobs done to your car, you know where to find him. Right now, I'm in the Cruise Control, and guess who I'm back up in? The man CJ from out at TWS. CJ, you are no stranger to OWE TV. You're there tonight. How much trophy you plan for carry up?
Boy, only one competition me interested in my boss. It's me and an engine bay. Hopefully, we win it. But then again, never know to win it, you see me?
Alright, well, I must say you look dapper tonight, but you don't know the shops already. Big up yourself.
I mean, big up OWE TV. I don't big up myself, brother. You don't know a thing. I'm a whole crew. That's it.
Alright, so CJ, TWS, the man them look like Men in Black, or all heap of things. But anyways, don't go anywhere. We're going to check out some more vibes, alright? Going back over to the lady Storm.
So I'm chilling with the man Brando. Brando, welcome to the show.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so tell me, which car crew are you a part of? And tell me about your car.
Okay, alright. Street credits. Yeah, street credits. Alright, alright, for our crew, it's basically a crew of lighting, right? We promote a lot of lighting, especially neon light and stuff like that. Modify lights like headlights and stuff like that, right? And image, right? crew is about image and also performance.
Alright, so I'm gonna find the man Naro with a sick car. Naro, welcome to the show. Now, more you tell me about the car, which crew you're repping, and I want you to tell me about your mask that's inside of the car because the mask them sick.
Well, the mask are good mask now. You know, so see I like it still and get it and buy it to see it.
Naro, tell me which crew you're repping with.
You know, I mean, I don't know really now. I don't really go in a crew still and see it.
Oh, so you just do it solo. Alright, so Naro, you tell me about the mask. Tell me about the car. What type of car is it and how did you get it modified?
Oh, you know, say you don't know a thing. It's a link we get and do it, you know, and put it on the seat. Yeah.
So I'm coming to you live from 876 Street, Cruise Control. Now we're inside. Listen, the vibes shot. On stage we have the magician. Listen me man, me seem to some, I'm still shocked. Now the cars, the lightings, the LEDs, the airbrush. Like, me never know some people spend so much time modifying vehicles. It is awesome. Listen, I'm excited. So right now, I just want to go take photos with the cars. I want to go just take a whole lot of videos and stuff. So I'm just going to throw things over to the man, Stars, to see what he's up to. Stars, where you there?
So right now I'm on the main stage. ZJ Diamond is on the ones and threes. But right now I'm standing with a familiar face within the Parsha Center and on OWE TV. Jody, aka Zidaj. So good to see you. What's up?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. So it's 876 Street, it's Cruise Control. How do you put cars with Zidaj for the persons who don't know that you're a car racer?
Well, 876 Street, Cruise Control, Zidaj, it's literally all one recipe. Like, we've been supporters of the 876 Streets movement from day one. We are still, and we plan to be forever if they stay around. I mean, you know, it's a great movement, a lot of cars, a lot of crews, unity in one location.
Okay, so tonight you're the master of ceremonies. I mean, you have seen the cars. What in terms of judging, what are you guys expecting tonight? Which crew are you expecting to bring it tonight?
That's a tough call. This year is one of the biggest years for Cruise Control. We have a lot of crews out. People have prepared. They have built uniforms. They have showed up in their numbers. So I don't want to make any calls right now, but I can say look out for great things.
All right, let's talk road safety real quick because I realize that there's a lot of bikers and car people, but I don't see a lot of persons really promoting road safety. What does road safety mean for Zidaj and 876 Street?
It is extremely important that people drive safely, not recklessly. I mean, you know, as racers, we like the one pole and we like the speed, but you have to be able to exercise caution while on the road. Don't only think about your adrenaline, but think about the lives that are traveling around you.
Ladies and gentlemen, she said it all. Zidaj, aka Jody, aka mom, wife, fashionista, motivational speaker. You have so much titles.
I know. Thank you.
Have a good night, Jody.
You too, thanks.
So we just saw the lady Jody talking about road safety, but right now I'm standing with somebody who does magic. I mean, we're at a car show, and how do you put, by the way, before I even go further, Jaron, how are you doing?
Good. It's a live energy, real energy. You know, magic and cars and ladies always go together. A good combination.
All right, Jay, my first question is, what is magic?
All right, magic is simply, you know, when you're trying to get something from point A to point B, but you're really getting it from point A to point D without the audience seeing points B and C. So basically, that's how magic works, pretty much.
What is the one basic rule of a magician?
Always keep the crowd thinking. Keep them thinking, keep the energy going, and keep the mystery going. Because the actual art of magic, you know, is really, it has nothing to do with making the bird appear or making the card vanish. It's really just about entertaining the people, seeing that mysterious look on the face, and just keeping the energy going, keeping the mystery.
But Jaron, one can say silly rabbit tricks are for kids.
Yes, indeed, but you saw the crowd, right? We're right here at Cruise Control. You saw the energy, you saw the crowd response, because this is something that pulls people. Magic pulls people, just in the same way that cars and fashion pull people, because it's just something that really gets people thinking. You go home and you're trying to figure out how the hell that happened.
And then next year you'll come back to Cruise Control to see it again. Because next year we'll do it all over, all over.
Alright, so we're at Cruise Control. Which crew are you repping tonight?
Well, I drive a Nissan and I drive a Mitsubishi. But I really repping for Mitsubishi still. Repping for Mitsubishi.
And the persons who want to book you, how can they contact you?
Alright, well simply now, 876-847-6477. And it's JB the Magician. Yeah man, simple. 847-6477.
Alright, so there you have it. JB the Magician, 876 Cruise Control. But for right now, we're going to take a break and go inside the crowd and check out what's going on at the show. Stick and stay. Alright, so right now I'm standing with the only female driver inside of Street Creds / marketing personnel, Candy. What's good?
Awesome, I'm good.
Let's talk business. Let's talk Street Creds. What's going on in Street Creds right now?
Right now, we currently have the High Pro dips coming for 2020. So we're doing our own dippings, and also for persons for 2020, you'll be able to purchase it. We are a family fun unit. We believe in family and uniting family through car. So we don't really discriminate. If you have a ride and you're willing to show it off and do the different modifications, as you can see the Juggernaut behind us, which is our most modern vehicle right now. We have it reigning as #1 in Jamaica right now. So we have the lowest ride, and we have various groups and various cars going on in the group. So
alright, Candy, let's talk Street Creds real quick. I mean, if persons want to join, what's the procedure?
All right, definitely have to be somebody who is family oriented. Family is very important to us, and unity. You understand me? You have to have a vehicle that is capable to be modified, whether you're going to specialize in a particular area, whether it is going to be the engine bay, interior, lowest ride, whatever it is. Bring it come. We don't discriminate, and we're all about making the vehicle better. So we have everything in the group. We have body man, spray man, engine man, everything in the group.
Alright, so I have a ladder. So I know what's the next week my ladder gonna say Street Creds.
Up and we'll modify it, take off the top and make it a convertible.
Alright, one last question. There's a lot of categories for tonight. What categories do you expect your team to rake in tonight?
All of them. Honestly, all of them. Right now, we have the lowest ride right there. There's nothing that can compete. This is the lowest ride in Jamaica right now. And behind us, we have the Juggernaut. And it's definitely the most modernized vehicle right now in here. We have TVs everywhere. From in the engine bay to the interior to outside, we have a bar in the back of the vehicle. So,
Candy, you are an ace marketing personnel. Yes. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a great evening.
Alright, so that's Lady Candy from Street Creds, the only female driver, also the marketing personnel. We're going to jump over to Lady Storm, because Storm decided one car with a whole heap of trophy. So Storm, what's good?
Alright, so I'm with the man Damien, and he's repping for Street Custom. Now, listen, the car have a bag of trophy on it. So me not even go ask too much. I'm just gonna ask you to tell me about the cars. Tell me about the trophy because me can't count the amount of trophy me I look for. Like I can't count the medals. It's a whole lot. Damien, welcome to the show. Tell me about your car. Tell me about your trophies.
Yeah man, welcome, big up. Alright, it's a 2013 Pro Box, basically fully custom. So you have custom lowering spring on it. It have side skirtings, front clip, fully custom engine bay, basically custom park light, headlight, roof light, floor light. Carefully custom. We have about 33 trophies and about 13-14 medals. So those trophies are for about this car, my previous Honda and everything.
Oh my God, he said 33. Listen, the car is on a red carpet. It's the only one I've seen so far that's on the floor on a red carpet. Tell me, this movement, what has it done for you?
Why, the whole movement and everything cost me to start a business called Street Custom Accessories. So after being in the car show business from like about 4 or 5 years now, it helped me to start a whole car show business and start a business of selling accessories and parts and everything. So that's what helped me to basically do a business now called Street Custom Accessories. So any customized parts, light, anything you want, rims, you can check me, Street Custom. There's a business card there. So yeah, man, you can find me at Instagram to Street Custom, and Instagram, Facebook, Damien Young. Yeah, man.
Alright, so I am with the CEO of Sparkles Auto Parts, the man Patrick. Patrick, wagwan.
Well, everything good. There, I want to show go on.
Yeah, listen, the car. Listen, I'm like super excited still. Now, Patrick, you know we always have a big up Sparkles. So tell me, what kind of discount? What do you have running? What kind of promotion discount do you have? Especially now that it's cruise control.
All right, for cruise control, we have discount on all, 50% on all our lighting and accessories. 50%, believe it, for all accessories and lighting for cruise control. I know you have a regular discount now during the shop at the regular business day.
Listen, I'm going to take the car to Sparkles because 50% on lighting is awesome. So tell me, how you liking the show so far?
Show awesome, love the turnout. The car culture a change now. Everybody have pretty up their car, so Sparkles have everything for everybody.
Alright, so there you have it from the man Patrick from Sparkles Auto Parts. So listen, 50% off, and then for regular hours, there's still some discount that is going on at Sparkles Auto Parts. So check them out.
Alright, so I was just backstage and having a drink, and a good friend of ours, Mozilla, forward up and said he has a new artist out of Mobile, up and coming, and you think the normal, that's him I tell me, we're gonna make it roll right, cause I come from Miami, so we make it like a day everywhere, done that. And your name is Shine Time. So I want everybody to hear our time. Shine Time, please. Alright, introduce yourself, man.
So right now I'm hanging out with the man Andrew, one of the organizers for cruise control for 876 Streets. Andrew, what's good?
Yeah, everything good so far. It's a good look. It's a good look so far, I must say.
Alright, let's talk last year versus this year. What's different?
Definitely the crowd. This year, I mean, the turnout, oh my God, it's overwhelming. This year, the support is really great, and I really want to say thanks to all the supporters that come out and support 876, both last year and this year, and trust me, this can only get better. This can only get better.
Alright, so 876 Street is one of the crews that is represented for the sickest and the illest rise in Jamaica. However, tonight it's all about all the other crews. Which crew you think tonight really stand out and bring it to the table?
Well, put it this way, a lot of crew members that put work in their cars, try to get their car ready for this year cruise control, but I must give it up for TWS. I mean, their uniform alone killed it this year. I mean, when I was coming at the event and I saw them, I thought they was actually going to a wedding, the way they put together and their uniform. So TWS really get it this year. for me in terms of presentation and dress code. Excellent.
So big ups to TWS. You heard it from Andrew right here. Anyways, last question. What can persons expect for the next cruise control?
As I said before, this can only get better. So we are looking for more vehicles, more competitors, sicker vehicles. I mean, people have spent thousands of dollars trying to get their vehicles ready for this event. So when you come here expecting to win. No one come here to lose. So everybody's going to put 110% in it to ensure that their vehicle is always on top.
All right, thank you so much, Andrew, for sharing that.
Yeah, man, you're welcome. No problem.
All right, so there you have it from the man Andrew. Him tell you where him see, who look uniform, what we can expect next year, and what happened last year. So right now we're gonna go back and find the Lady Storms and take the curtains down.
OMG Stars!
I know, it lit.
It was fire. Listen, I'm so excited about cars.
Yeah, it was lit. So Storm, what was the highest moment for you tonight?
Oh my God, the cars with all the trophies. He had like 30 something trophies and like 13 medals. And it's a pro box, mad box. Like that was awesome. And I love TWS, the outfit, the black and white, the suits.
Yeah, definitely. TWS, you took it for best uniform crew. Yeah, Men in Black have nothing over no.
Mister, them so swaggerific.
And Storm, I must say, big up to the four-wheelers crew. Yo, that was wicked.
That was awesome. That was
wicked.
awesome. So 876 Streets, you did it again. This is your third staging. Looking forward to the fourth one. May I come?
Definitely. Now, before we go, you know, we have to big up a lot of people. Big up to all the Our Wees, man.
Oh, thank you, Our Wees. Now, listen, I'm still hype off the cars. I'm like, hi. So, anyway, we want to big up Ziggs Media. We want to big up RMP Studios.
We want to big up to the man Javan Camera.
Hey, Jay.
Him the drink all night. So we need to buy my drink.
Yeah, I was drinking. Can you tell? Shh.
Also, big up to the WhatsApp crew out tonight. Twiniana.
Yes, Twiniana. Oh my God, she's the one who should be Storm. Did you see her here?
Yeah,
it's
I know.
Stormified.
But anyway, guys, you know, all good things must come to an end. Until next time, you know, I'm your boy Stars.
And I'm the Lady Storm.
Follow us all over social media.
That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and PR Jamaica.
Until next time, watch it,
live it,
love it.
See you next time.